In this comprehensive comparison, we'll be exploring the differences between the original Edifier W820NB, reviewed 2 years ago, and the upgraded Edifier W820NB Plus version. These two models offer a range of features and specifications that cater to different preferences and requirements. Let's dive in and examine their key differences. Both the Edifier W820NB and the Edifier W820NB Plus are equipped with 40mm drivers, which offer rich and detailed sound reproduction. While the W820NB provides balanced sound with a good bass response, the W820NB Plus takes it a step further by supporting high-res audio wireless, allowing for a more immersive audio experience. In terms of design, both headsets are aesthetically similar. Same clicky rubbery buttons, same weight, 232 grams, same button placement, USB-C charging and sleek matte plastic, no metal construction, with a plastic inner band for head adjustment. The W820NB Plus inner band has the same clicky notch mechanism, although a bit loose, so the headband adjustment doesn't feel as secure. Visually, both headsets appear to be the same, but there are subtle differences. The original W820NB has Edifier logo branding, while the new W820NB Plus has Edifier text branding. The ear cups have the same over-ear style with comfortable PU earpads and thin spandex fabric covering the top of the driver. The height of the W820NB Plus inner hole is 0.5 cm shorter than the W820NB, although the EARCUP depth is 0.5 cm deeper on the W820NB Plus. However, the W820NB Plus offers a few design refinements, including a matte finish and potentially improved build quality. Comfort-wise, both models provide comfortable earpads, although user feedback suggests that the W820NB Plus may have slightly improved padding for extended wear. The user experience of the W820NB Plus is positively good with improved active noise cancellation, better overall sound quality with LDAC, although no AEC audio support. The original W820NB supports AEC. There is no improvement in the connectivity department. The W820NB Plus only supports USB-C to USB-C wired audio connection, same as the W820NB, which means you cannot listen to audio using a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, hence number 3.5mm headphone. The W820NB Plus is also supported by the Edifier Connect app, which gives you access to a low-latency game mode, adjustable ambient sound, EQ, sound presets and LDAC audio. There is no button remapping function, but you can disable the multifunctional button on board the headset. While the W820NB features Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, the W820NB Plus takes it a step further with Bluetooth 5.2, offering improved wireless stability and reliability. However, the W820NB Plus doesn't support multi-point connection either. Also, the call quality experience isn't quite as good as the original W820NB because the noise-cancelling mic becomes too aggressive in loud environments, making the call sound muffled. The ANC performance is good, although no noticeable improvement over the original W820NB when considering the pricing and value proposition. It's important to weigh the additional features offered by the W820NB Plus against its higher price point. If high-res audio support, longer battery life, and more color options are essential to you, the W820NB Plus higher price tag may be worth the investment. However, if you prioritize a more budget-friendly option without compromising on comfort and active noise cancellation, the W820NB still offers a solid choice. In conclusion, the Edifier W820NB Plus improves over the W820NB with the following: LDAC audio, slightly longer battery life, more color options and fast charging.